Are you looking for a picture-perfect vacation for your honeymoon or just to seek relaxation? Look no further. So join us on our unforgettable journey to Maldives as we share our experience at stunning Reethi Beach Resort. Okay, wait. Before you even start planning, let us stop you from making one very big mistake. We ended up spending $1,000 more on just transfers.
Maldives is an archipelago. That means it comprises of many smaller island groups, and those groups are called atolls. Why I'm telling you this? Wait. Male Airport is in Male Atoll, and if you book your resort far from Male Atoll, where ferries won't take you, you will be asked by resorts to arrange for a flight to nearest airport, or fastest would be seaplane. So before planning, just check from hotel itself how they are arranging your transit from airport.
So this was your major tip. This was all about our transportation. Now let us take you to our amazing stay.
In Maldives, smaller islands are completely owned by 4 or 5-star hotels, where they offer Watervilla as their USP. Also, there are underwater villas which would come under uber luxury stay. So back to point, we booked 3 nights in Beach Villa and 1 night in Watervilla.
After getting our passport stamped, we came out of the Male airport and we went out for some snacks. Then we waited for our next flight, which was supposed to take us to Dharabandhu island. From there, we took a speedboat and went to our resort, Reethi Beach.
We are now ready for dinner in one of their restaurants, which is surrounded by the sea. They have many conceptual restaurants, bars all along the beach line. This is our beach villa, all wooden finish with open washroom. That is why drones are not allowed above the property. Another day, as usual, excited for breakfast. So by breakfast, I remembered one thing. This is another mistake that we did. In these type of resorts, always go for all inclusive or full board. By doing this, you will get access to the entire bar menu and adventure activities. So now comes the exciting part, Watervilla. You can always hear the splashing of waves and feel dull vibrations beneath you. This is again complete wooden interior and the access to knee-deep Indian Ocean. So for the very first time, I have witnessed something this beautiful and amazing.
I got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Now comes the most important part, documentation.
This is our last morning in Maldives. Remember, whenever your phone rings before last night of stay and they ask you to do RT PCR test, please go for it. Otherwise, they can stop you while doing luggage check-in and will surely cancel your flight tickets.
Nice dancing with you guys.
Or some hotel representative will ask you maybe $600 to $1,000 for RT PCR from the nearest lab in Male if you are late for your flight. Rest everything is in description. Copy it as your to-do list.
So it's a wrap from Maldives. Bye. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe and do share this video with all those who are planning a trip to Maldives.
4 दिनों में रंग दबदब